Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is part 6 of the pythoncard tutorial, changing a Python app. Right here, changing a pythoncard application. Let's go see what's going on in the hood. Open the file, starter P1 in your Python aware editor of choice. So, I'm going to take this, Control C, copy, and let's see where that document is. Let's see if I open correctly. Okay, it seems to have worked. Editor, no, I just launched it. I need to find it directly. So, show the desktop results in a browser, and I'm going to open the folder, and there it is. Okay, so I'm going to edit with pythoncard. Okay. Ooh, that doesn't look right. Alright, so it said I can edit with my Python aware editor of choice. That's my code editor. Don't need that. Don't need that. So, let's edit with idle. Idle is what ships with Python 2.5.1, I believe is what I'm using right now. Yeah, 2.5, Python 2.5. Let's see what happens when I open. There it is. Okay, so Python shell, idle, no subprocess, and Python as I expect, brief and to the point. Here's the important point to focus on. Def on menu file about. Def on menu file about. Okay, right there. There it is. Even without understanding Python, you can probably tell what the snippet does. That's one of the beauties of Python. Okay. It gets activated or triggered by some event. Okay, from, okay, if name, yes. On file menu about select, okay. We're going to change what this menu does. You never handle an assignment the way you were going to show you here, but I'll purpose show how easy it is to fiddle with Python's card scripts to make things happen the way you want them to happen. First, select the word pass. Type in its place the following line. All right. Control C and pass. Control V. Again, this new line is given up by now showing off. One more change. We have to make sure our script knows what to do within there. The top of the explains what the line is. From Python, import model from OK. And we're going to Python import right here and change that. Control V. It is important if you choose a Python editor other than Python code editor that you try not to run the program with those editors. Okay, doing okay. Double click the starter application. All right, so I'm going to save, file, save, copy as. I'm going to just rename this one my starter, just so I don't mess with the original files, which is always a good idea. Save, and now when I go back here, here's my master Py1. Now if I double click on it, what happens? Open with. See what happens. Didn't like that. I need to open it with, if I just double click. Really doesn't like that, and this is what the tutorial was talking about. Doing so in programs like idle editor that ships with Python will have nasty consequences because editors. Okay, double click the starter one. I need to have Python card. I need to open it with Python card. So close that. Nope. And I'll close this. And I'll go back to Python card. File, open, Python card. Code editor. Let's see if that does anything. I don't know if that's the one. Okay, file, open, my starter, and now let's see if I can get it to run from here. File, no, run. There it is. Oh, I didn't like that. Okay, so I have to dig around a little bit, see what went wrong. File, run with interpreter. Coercing the Unicode needs string or buffered non-top find. Okay, no resource file found for my starter 1. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll keep working on this.